Today I'm going to teach you and me how to seal my grout in my shower. So I just got this grout sealant. It's Black Diamond brand off of Amazon. It has really good reviews. I always read the reviews before I order anything on Amazon. It's just like, that's the kind of person I am. So reading the back instructions, all I need to do is make sure that your shower is clean and dry. So maybe you wanna I cleaned my shower yesterday, scrubbed the tile really, really good. You wanna lift off any stains, make sure it's fully dry, and then we're going to apply the sealer to the grout using a brush and keep the grout wet with the sealant for 3 to 5 minutes, making sure not to allow the sealer to dry on any surface before wiping it completely up from the tile and the grout. They recommend 2 coats of sealer to achieve best performance, and you're gonna recoat after 1 hour. So I'm just gonna do a small test area just to make sure that this isn't going to, turn my grout black or something. And let it sit and just see what happens. Yeah, so it's soaking into the grout, but I'm wiping it off my tile so that it doesn't dry on my towel. Tile. This is a towel. Hold this right. This really does not have a scent, and I was worried about fumes, but it's literally, it just doesn't smell like anything, which is fantastic. I cannot believe how satisfying this is. Okay, so I waited for 1 hour for this to dry, and then I can go again and apply it. Just remember, as you're applying it, you don't want to let it dry on any surface besides the grout. It really just drinks it right back up, and then you wipe off any of the excess. And I can see where the grout changes color, in a good way, to the original color that it was. It brings it back. So, and you can do this if it's been a long time or whatever, you can do it more than 2 times. This bottle says do 2 rounds. I might do 3 just because I haven't done this for a long time. And my shower looks like $1 million already. Okay, so I put that off for way too long because it was much easier of a job than I thought it was gonna be. It took no time at all, and it was really easy clean up. There wasn't very many fumes with this brand that I used. And honestly, it's one of those jobs that doesn't feel like it did a lot, but in my heart, I know that it's going to make it much easier to keep my shower clean and clean it. And it's just part of maintaining my house and taking care of it, because houses take work. They don't just maintain themselves, you guys. So your stuff isn't wrecked, you have to clean it and take care of it.